Hey adjusters, let me show you how to integrate with your Google Calendar. So you head on here to Scope, go to your settings, integrations, and you can see right here I'm already logged into my Google Calendar. I'll just go ahead and log out for now. Let me hit connect, log into your Google Calendar, and now I am logged in. And go back here to my claims, and once I set a date of inspection, it should appear here in my Google Calendar. I'll go ahead and create a test claim. I'll just give it an address, type some info here. Let's go ahead and save it for now. Here this claim is. Let's go ahead and schedule it for the 29th at 8 a.m. See right here, it pops in my calendar here, but then over here in my Google Calendar, it's there as well. You can open that up, and you can see here I bring in that info as well. If you need to reschedule it for whatever reason, you can do that as well. Let's go to the 30th, 10 a.m. And there we go, it automatically changed. Also, you'll notice that the claim appointments from my calendar are brought into Scope. So if I add another appointment here, and I refresh here in Scope, you can see right here my test appointment here appears. And that's how you integrate with your Google Calendar.